Hello, welcome to BSK Media. Learning English through stories. The Tiger and the Monk. In the past, there lived a monk in the forests of Cambodia. One day he was walking in the forest when he saw a tiger. The tiger was lying on the ground near a hole. When the monk examined the tiger, he was shocked. It was dead. There must be a dangerous snake in the hole, the monk thought. It killed my friend, the tiger. The monk found some medicine, which he collected from the forest and put it on the tiger's skin. Suddenly the tiger opened its eyes. The monk was very happy, but when the tiger saw the monk, he was very angry. "Why can't you let me sleep?" he asked. "My friend, you weren't sleeping, you were dead," explained the monk. "Dead? Do I look dead?" asked the tiger. "No, but you were trying to kill me and now I am going to kill you." "I was trying to help you, not to kill you," explained the monk. But the tiger didn't listen. "Look," said the monk. "Here are my friends." The tiger looked and there was a cow, a horse, and a rabbit. "Did you hear our quarrel?" the tiger asked. "Oh, yes, Mr. Tiger," replied the cow and the horse, who were very frightened of the tiger. But the rabbit said, "Mr. Tiger, first I know what happened." "Do you have a good memory?" "Of course, I do." "It's very good," replied the tiger. "Then please show me the exact place where you like to sleep." The tiger went and lay down by the snake's hole. Suddenly a huge snake came out and killed the tiger. The monk was shocked. "Look, what happened," he said. "I must go and help the tiger." "Wait a minute," said the rabbit. "Please listen to me. In my opinion, you're a good man, but I know this tiger well. He's a harmful character. He isn't reasonable. If you help him, he'll kill you." "You're right, my friend," said the monk. "I can't help the tiger. The risk is too great. I will pray for him." Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe to get more videos from my channel.